this is Harvey J from Mass Communication. I'm again with another video. I'm again with another unboxing. In fact, you see I have a box from Amazon. I've got this one today at the locker of Amazon in my neighborhood. The packaging is beautiful, as you see. White packaging, white box. We have a light to mount in the toilet up to the mirror. So let me show you what we have inside of this lovely looking box. White box. Delivery was fast, only 2 days if I'm not wrong, from Amazon to Amazon locker. Let me open this one. There we go. We have here some mounting tool, some plastic holder, if I'm not wrong, 2 screws to mount on the wall. And this light, if I'm not wrong, come from Denmark. So DE something as this, if I'm not wrong. Whatever, I put one side. We'll go to the box inside. Let's see. There we go. I feel a little weight. I dropped something, doesn't matter. I put this one side at the bottom. You see the light. Before I go to the light of the lamp, I better should say lamp. Here we have some bulb, highly protected. In the cover, let's see, I'm taking out one small spotlight GU10 LED. Okay, lower consuming A+ version. Let me open here. This one looks beautiful leads, you see inside, beautiful leads. Here we go. Made in China, quality not bad, not bad. I have some Philips lead. This is 3 watt, so I will check how this one compared to Philips one. Look a little bit cheaper to me, but whatever. This is one. And there is another as well. At the side you see this lead, so they are the same. Here we go. And let's go to the lamp. Here we go. The back. Let me take it out. It is stainless steel, and I feel the weight is not plastic, because plastic are cheaper. See, stainless steel body. Inside the connector. I have to take this off. This will go to the wall. You have to mount this one before put the lamp. I will mount this one with silicone, or with the, I think with the screw I have to do better to tight it properly. And beautiful lamp. You see the holders. You can move different direction. I think as this. Mount as this in the wall, and after that you move all the way as this, and this look at the jet engine at the back side. You see, good body. This part, okay, all is aluminium or steel. I think it's steel. The finishing you see here, not aluminium. Very high quality. You can mount the lamp inside. So here the version of the Philips. This lamp costs 20 euro in Amazon, 19 point something, and this lamp of Philips, each of them are 10 euro. Let me put inside to show you how it looks. You can see the differences, the Philips one and the ordinary one. Here we go, this one and this one of the Philips. So lovely looking lamp in affordable price, only 20 euro. That could be $20 or a little bit more in US market. So you see my base, I already drilled, and now I'm tightening with the screwdriver, a set of screwdriver, and I choose a screwdriver. Already one I have tight. These are very handy. So you can see guys, I put one cable here, I lose the screw and I put them. It's plus and minus is written, negative and L, that means positive. I put, you see the color of wire, I match black with the blue, and the brown with brown. So you see how it is. Do carefully, this is electric work. You have to off the main switch of your house so you'll not have electric shock. Please be careful with this. After doing that, I have to assemble this one there. It will basically go as this. See here how it is. So it will go inside as this, and you have to lock. So you can see how I'm doing. Put inside and lock. That's all. The bottom is locked, and after that, if you want, you can tie this screw so it will hold tight. Here we go. The bottom too. So my cable is still outside. It will cover. I will have a mirror here. It will not be visible. So you see how it looks. Here is here. How it looks. The lights, they are beautiful. How they look with little bit decoration. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.